gang, I'm back. Let's finish the layout of the main body panel. So if you look at this, I'll turn this around, hopefully you can see it. You've got yours in front of you anyways, hopefully. The main body panel and actually the air scoop that we're going to get to later has some dotted lines on it. The dotted or dashed lines is where you're going to fold. The solid lines you're going to cut. So you want to make sure you differentiate between the dashed lines and the solid lines. So I'm going to put these dashed lines in. I'm going to make it all dashed to start with. Then I will fill these in solid. So if you look, these lines are in a 1/2 inch from each edge. So what I'm going to do, and once again, I need at least 2 reference points. I'm going to spin this because it's a little bit easier for me to work. I'm going to measure, I'm going to actually start at my 1 inch and measure down a 1/2 inch. Put a mark. Then I'm going to go down here, do the same thing. Come in 1 inch, put a mark. Now I'm going to connect those, but I'm not going to go like this. My ruler sits on the edge, kind of wobbles. Also, it's really nice if you draw that line when you can actually see the edge, so you can tell if you can eyeball it, if you're parallel. Put my pencil on this mark, slide it over, and I'm going to do these dashed, and then I will mark out the other part that needs to be solid later. You could do the whole thing solid and then erase spots too. It's up to you. So now I need to go in a 1/2 inch on the other edge. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Again, I'm going to turn this so I can see my other line. This lined up. Make my dashed line. Now remember, I'm going to go a little bit faster, which is okay because you can pause the video if you need to. Now I'm going to do this dashed line right here. And if you look, that is 3 inches in from the back edge. So this is the back of your skimmer. This is the front of your skimmer. So I'm going to go in 3 inches. Once again, I have to make 2 marks so I make sure I'm straight. 3 inches, 3 inches. And this is dashed, and it goes just from dashed line to dashed line. Okay, right there. Just a little bit of that. Okay. So that, if you look, is everything on my main body panel. So get that all laid out would be awesome.